Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Clarity, the channel where learning English becomes simple, practical, and enjoyable. My name is Julien, and I'm your host.
And I'm Darlene. We're so happy to have you with us today.
Whether you're just starting your English journey or looking to build more confidence in speaking, listening, vocabulary, and everyday conversations, you're in the right place.
Here at English Clarity, we learn together through real-life topics, easy-to-understand lessons, and friendly conversations that help you improve your English step by step.
So grab a notebook, relax, and get ready to practice your English with us.
Let's get started.
Today, we are going to talk about a sunny day at the beach.
I am so excited. Let's jump right in.
I love the beach, darling. It is my favorite place.
Same here. The beach is beautiful, especially when the sun is shining.
Yes, a sunny day makes everything better. How often do you go to the beach?
I go every summer. What about you?
I try to go 2 or 3 times a year. It is a bit far from my house.
Oh, that makes sense. For me, it is a short drive. I'm very lucky.
That is amazing. I'm a little jealous. What do you pack in your bag for a beach day?
I pack many things. First, I need a big towel.
Yes, a towel is very important. You need it to sit on the sand.
Exactly. And I also pack sunscreen. You must protect your skin from the sun.
Good point. Sunscreen is a must. I always bring a high number like SPF 50.
Me too. No one wants a sunburn. It hurts a lot.
It really does. What else do you bring?
I bring sunglasses and a big hat. The sun can be very bright.
Oh, wow. Yes, sometimes it is hard to see without sunglasses.
What do you pack in your bag, Julien?
I always bring a bottle of water. The beach makes me very thirsty.
That is smart. It's important to stay hydrated when it's hot outside.
Yes, it is. I also bring some snacks. Walking on the sand makes me hungry.
Really? What kind of snacks do you like?
I like to bring fruit like apples or bananas. They're easy to eat.
Yum, fruit is perfect for the beach. It's fresh and sweet.
Sometimes I bring sandwiches too. A ham and cheese sandwich tastes great at the beach.
That sounds great. Do you eat on the sand or at a table?
I usually eat on my towel, but sometimes sand gets into my food.
Oh no, that is the worst. Crunchy sand is not delicious.
No, it is not, but it is part of the beach experience.
That is true. It's hard to avoid the sand. It gets everywhere.
It really does. It sticks to your feet and your clothes.
Yes, but the sand feels so warm and nice under your feet.
It does. I love walking on the wet sand near the water.
Me too. The water cools your feet down. It feels wonderful.
Do you like to swim in the ocean, darling?
I do. I love the water, but I only go in if the water is warm.
Oh, I see. Sometimes the ocean is very cold, even on a sunny day.
Yes, it takes a long time for the ocean to get warm.
That is a good point. I don't mind cold water. I like to dive right in.
Wow, you are brave. I have to walk in very slowly.
First my feet, then my knees, then my waist. It takes me 10 minutes.
That is funny, but many people do that. It helps your body get used to the temperature.
Yes, exactly. Hey, darling, get used to is an interesting phrase.
Yes, it is a very useful phrase. We use it when something becomes normal for us.
Can we give one more example for our listeners?
Sure. For example, it's hard to wake up early, but you'll get used to it.
Ah, that makes sense. So at first the water is cold, but you get used to it.
Exactly. You understand it perfectly.
Thanks. So, darling, do you like big waves or calm water?
I prefer calm water. It's easier to relax and float.
Calm water is nice. It's like a big swimming pool.
Yes, but it's much more beautiful than a pool.
True. I actually like small waves. They're fun to jump over.
Jumping waves is fun. It makes me feel like a kid again.
Same here. It's great exercise, too. Oh, look at that word, exercise. Let's look at the pronunciation.
Good idea. Some people find it tricky.
Yes, listen closely. Exercise. The C sounds like an S.
Exercise. Is that right?
Perfect, Julien. Exercise. Swimming and jumping waves are great exercise.
Thanks, Julien. Speaking of children, do you see many families at your beach?
Yes, always. Children love to build sandcastles.
Oh, sandcastles are the best. Did you build them when you were little?
Yes, I did. I used a plastic bucket and a small shovel.
That sounds like so much fun. Did you make big castles?
I tried, but sometimes a big wave came and washed them away.
Oh no, that is sad. All that hard work gone in 1 second.
It is a little sad, but it's also fun to start again.
That is a great attitude to have.
Thanks. What about you, Julian? What did you do at the beach when you were a child?
I looked for seashells. I loved finding pretty shells on the sand.
Oh, that is lovely. Did you find any special ones?
Yes, I found a big spiral shell once. It was white and pink.
Wow, that sounds beautiful. Do you still have it?
No, I left it at the beach. I think another kid found it later.
That's nice. Sharing the beauty of the beach is wonderful.
Yes, the beach belongs to everyone.
That's a beautiful thought. Let's ask our listeners a question here.
Good idea. How about you, listeners? Do you like to swim in the ocean or do you prefer to stay on the sand?
Drop your answer in the comments below. We want to read them.
Yes, please tell us. We love to know what you think.
So, Julian, after you walk and swim, what do you do?
I like to read a book on my towel. It is very relaxing.
Reading at the beach is nice. The sound of the ocean is like music.
It really is. The waves make a soft shh sound over and over.
It can make you feel very sleepy.
Oh, definitely. I often take a small nap at the beach.
A nap? Be careful, Julian. You don't want to sleep too long under the hot sun.
You're right. That's how people get bad sunburns.
Yes, you have to be careful. I usually set an alarm on my phone.
That's a smart tip. I will do that next time.
Good. We need to look after our health, even on vacation.
Yes, look after. That means to take care of something or someone, right?
Yes, that is right. For example, I look after my dog when my parents are away.
Or you must look after your skin at the beach.
Perfect example. See? English grammar and vocabulary can be easy.
It really can when we talk about fun things like the beach.
Exactly. Hey, if you're enjoying our beach chat, give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Yes, please subscribe. It helps our channel grow a lot.
Thank you, everyone. Now, Julian, let's talk about beach food.
Oh, my favorite topic. What do people eat near your beach?
There's a small shop that sells ice cream right on the boardwalk.
Ice cream is the perfect beach food. What flavor do you choose?
I always choose chocolate. It's classic and delicious.
Chocolate is good, but on a hot day, I like lemon or mango.
Oh, fruit flavors are very refreshing. That makes sense.
Yes, they taste cool and light. Is there anything else to eat near your beach?
Yes, there is a place that sells fish and chips.
Oh, wow, fried fish and French fries? That sounds heavy for a hot day.
It is a little heavy, but it's a tradition in many beach towns.
That is true. The smell of salty air and hot chips is wonderful.
I agree. The smell of the beach is very special.
It is. It smells like salt, clean air, and sunscreen.
Yes, whenever I smell sunscreen, I think of summer.
Same here. It's like an instant vacation in your mind.
That's a great way to say it, an instant vacation.
Thank you. What time do you usually leave the beach?
I like to stay until the late afternoon, around 5 o'clock.
Why 5 o'clock?
Because the sun is not as hot and the beach becomes very quiet.
Oh, that is a lovely time. The day visitors start to go home.
Yes, and the sky changes color. It starts to turn a little orange and yellow.
Wow, a beach sunset is beautiful.
It is the best part of the day for me.
I agree. It's a perfect way to finish a sunny day.
After that, I go home, take a warm shower, and wash off all the sand.
Ah, that first shower after the beach feels so good.
It really does. You feel clean and relaxed.
And a little tired too, right? The sun makes you tired.
Yes, but it's a good kind of tired. You sleep very well that night.
That is so true. I always sleep like a baby after a beach day.
Me too. Well, Julian, that was a great chat today.
Yes, I had so much fun talking with you about the beach.
Thanks for being with us, everyone.
We hope you learned some nice English words today.
We'll catch you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone.
Bye-bye.